In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla not opening with your iPhone or phone, whether it's through the Tesla app or automatic phone as a key functionality. If your car isn't responding to your phone, here's what you can do. Start by ensuring your phone has a strong internet or cellular connection, as the Tesla app requires connectivity to communicate with your vehicle. Open the Tesla app and check if it's properly logged in. Sign out and back in if necessary. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, verify that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone, as these are required for the phone as a key feature to work. Ensure your phone is within range of your Tesla, typically 30 feet or less. If you're using an iPhone, confirm that the Tesla Key feature is enabled under settings greater than Wallet and Apple Pay, and ensure your phone's battery is not critically low, as low power mode can disable Bluetooth. If the issue persists, reset the key settings in your Tesla. Go to Controls, Locks, Key Management in your car's touchscreen, and remove your phone from the list of authorized keys. Then, re-add your phone by following the prompts in the Tesla app. You may need to enter your account password during this process. For Android users, ensure NFC is enabled, as it's required for unlocking the car by tapping your phone near the driver's side door handle. For iPhone users, test the NFC functionality by holding your phone near the door handle to see if it unlocks. If none of these steps work, restart your phone and your Tesla. Turn the car off completely, then hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the touchscreen. After restarting, try unlocking the car again. Finally, if the problem continues, there may be an issue with your car's Bluetooth module or your phone's compatibility. Contact Tesla support for further assistance or schedule a service appointment to diagnose the issue. If this video helped you fix your Tesla not opening with your iPhone or phone, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.